Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the update method in 2026 for generating QR code in Canva. So I'm going to show you step by steps. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me start the process. So first we need to go and create here. So here you can see there is a lot of options or templates option. You can choose any one, but in order to create the QR code, so we need to perfect size. So here you can search for QR. Here you can see lots of options for QR generating, like this is a templates or template size for QR code beneath. This is a card size. Okay, this is brochure, this is sticker, this is flyer, and the plan card, uh, placards, and the menu. Okay, it is a landscape. So here we need to use this QR code only, because we need only generating we need only QR code, so we use this. Okay, you can use this like 500 to 500 pixels. So just click on it, then the page will be open with that size. Now we need to go in here in app. Here we need to search for QR generator, or search for QR only, or you can search QR code generator. So here you can see the Canva suggests you lots of applications. So I personally use this one, the normal QR code generator. Okay, here you can put your URL link, or you can simply copy paste the URL link here and generate code. Here you can see the customization. You can change the background color. Okay, this is a background color. Okay, and this is the foreground color. You can change it. Now you can make it to fit that all page. Now update the code. Okay, so once you update, the color will be changed. Okay, so simply you can try this also. You can see, or you can make keep as it is, white and black, and update it. Okay, now you can download as a PNG file, that PDF file and JPG file, and you can download from here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.